Did you know that most appliance repair companies, they lose money after they present the estimate, not because the estimate wasn't a good value, it's because they didn't have a follow-up. Welcome to the Appliance Boss channel. What's going on, everybody? It's your boy, Marcus the Money Man, the Appliance Boss. And today, I want to welcome you back to the AI for Appliance Bosses series. I don't know why I have so much trouble saying that. But so far, we talked about what AI is, calls, the marketing, ways it can help you in marketing, dispatching, operations. But today, we're going to talk sales, and specifically how appliance repair businesses lose sales every single day and how AI can help you recover some of those jobs without seeming pushy whatsoever. Let's be honest, most appliance repair companies do not have a sales system. What usually happens is the technician gives the estimate, the customer says, let me think about it, and then nobody follows up. That's not a sales process, that's hoping. Think about how many estimates your business gives out every single week. Now ask yourself, how many of those customers forgot about the estimate, got distracted, wanted some more information, or simply just never heard back from your company? Let's do the math. So your company has 10 open estimates every week. And you know, if you had better follow-up, let's just see 3 of those jobs get approved. So on the average, that's $350 per average ticket. So that's over $1,000 per week recovered. That's $4,000 per month recovered alone. Now, most customers, they don't actually say no, they just disappear. So one of the biggest problems in appliance repair business is the follow-up. So AI can automatically send reminders, it can follow up via text or email, it can answer basic questions, but keep in mind, these estimates, they are forgotten, so they won't get forgotten anymore. So the reality is most customers, they're busy. If you don't stay in front of them, then they'll just either call another company and just, you know, maybe they missed it in their email or whatever and think that you ghosted them, or they won't have all the information and they'll just go ahead and buy a new appliance. The company that follows up best usually gets the most jobs. AI can improve communication during the sales process. It can explain the next steps. It can refine that trust. It can answer any of those frequently asked questions that the customers always have, like, how much do I have to pay the deposit now? When is the final payment due? Do you finance? Yada, yada, yada. It can help customers feel more confident about moving forward. And that confidence matters because customers don't always like the cheapest option. They buy from a company they can trust the most. Another huge opportunity is upsells of membership. AI can automatically promote the memberships, installations, discount opportunities, any additional services that you may have within your appliance repair business, whether it be seasonal, like we do dryer vent cleanings during the fall and the winter time, right? So it can be a big help to get out in front of your customers to add more value, add more sales to your pipeline. In our business, memberships are a huge opportunity, right? It's a good value proposition for our customers because it isn't just one transaction after that. The goal is a long-term customer relationship. Okay. One thing that most appliance repair business owners completely ignore is old customers. AI can help re-engage these old customers by sending them service reminders, seasonal events or seasonal services, promotions that you may be having, maintenance programs that are available, and just follow-up offers. Your old customer list is one of the most valuable assets in your business. In our business, we focus heavy on close percentages, average ticket size, the follow-up, and just customer education in general. Did we have the conversation with them? Was it a face-to-face style conversation? Did we follow the process? Or do they feel like they know where to go to, how to approve the estimate, how to pay, most importantly, right? If they don't move forward right then, okay? Because sales isn't about pressuring customers, it's about helping them make a more informed decision. One of the biggest mistakes businesses do is help or rely too much on your technician's personality, and that creates inconsistencies. One technician can have good follow-up, another one doesn't. One technician can explain clearly, another one rushes through the estimate. Systems solves inconsistencies. Let's break down some common mistakes, right? So one, we talked about it, no estimate, no follow-up. It leads to, if you don't follow up, you're losing jobs. It's point blank period. If you don't have a membership strategy, you're leaving long-term dollars revenue on the table. All right. Third mistake, no communication after the visit. That's key. Customers lose confidence when communication is broken or non-existent. Okay. So mistake number 4, thinking sales is being pushy. Sales is customer education. Okay, customers don't buy when they feel pressured, they buy when they feel confident. So you gotta be able to answer the questions that they didn't even ask, right? Because you do this every single day. So you know what every single customer has to ask if you're standing there and you're asking questions. The future of appliance repair sales is going to include automated responses, automated communication, predictive upsells, and smarter customer relationship systems. And the companies that adapt this type of systems early are going to dominate. In the next episode, we're talking about reviews, reputation, and how AI can help appliance repair businesses locally online. If you're looking to build a more profitable appliance repair business, follow this series because we're just getting started. I'm Marcus the Money Man, the Appliance Boss. I'm here to help you build better businesses. Peace.